Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing another squishy tutorial and I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute cheesecake squishy. And this is also a collab with Kawaii Craftycorn, and for this collab we decided to make squishy tutorials of our favourite cakes, and my favourite cake of all is cheesecake, especially strawberry cheesecake, so I decided to do that. And for her video she's going to be showing you how to make a chocolate Swiss roll cake, so I'll have that linked in the description below. So once you're done watching my video, please go and watch her video, and also please go and subscribe to her channel. She makes really amazing squishy and slime videos, and she is a really nice person. So thank you so much Kawaii Craftycorn for collaborating with me. And yep, so let's just get started. So first you want to start off by drawing a triangle shape onto your foam, and you just want to use a ruler and just draw 2 lines. And you can make it as big or as small as you want. So next you want to start cutting this out. So once you've cut it out, it should look something like this. And as you can see, I've already started to smooth off the shape. So now you just want to start making just small cuts on the squishy, just to make it as smooth as possible. And you also want to do the same for the bottom, or the other side. So yeah, you just want to keep doing this until it's as smooth as possible. So I'm just going to finish that and then I'll show you what to do next. So here's what the final shape looks like, and I ended up making it a little bit smaller. And I think it looks pretty good. So next what you want to do is you want to take a separate piece of foam and you just want to draw a strawberry onto it, and you can use a template if you want. And next you want to cut this out. Okay, so now we can finally start painting. So what I did was I mixed some white and a tiny bit of yellow paint, and I painted the top of the cheesecake. And then for the bottom I mixed some yellow, burnt sienna and white paint together, and I just made like a tan colour. And then I painted the strawberry red. So now let's move on to the next. So next what I did was I took some red puffy paint and I just squirted it on top of the cheesecake, and I just smoothed it out using a paintbrush. So this makes like the strawberry sauce, I guess. So now what you want to do is you want to take your strawberry and you want to paint a stem using green puffy paint, and then you just want to place it on top of your cheesecake, just in the centre like this. And the puffy paint is going to help it stick. So like that. So now we can move on to the final step. Okay, so the last part is optional, but you can choose to paint on a cute face if you want. And I think it looks really, really cute. So now you just want to let this dry and then your squishy will be done. So here it is the next day, and the puffy paint is still a little bit wet on the top, but that's fine, I'll just squish it carefully. And I'm really happy with how this turned out. And I think the face is really, really adorable. And the strawberry is also squishy. And here's the other side. So yeah, really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and once again please go and check out Kawaii Craftycorn's video, and please go and subscribe to her channel. Again, I'll have it linked in the description below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.